Explain this pyramidal looking purse is very simple. As you can see, the zip is actually on one unit, one side of the purse, and I can actually access the inside. The zip can also be at this end, but this is the part that's convenient. Now the dimensional cutting of this is very simple. Now I'm having the same cardboard as I'm having earlier. Okay, what I'll be doing is simple. The calculation is this. When you have a rectangular looking, the pattern is actually a rectangular looking bag purse. So if my side now, this is the length, this is the breadth. So if my breadth now is 5, for instance, automatically this space will be 10. This space will be what? 5. If I'm having let me pick 7, automatically this will be what? 14. This will be what? 7. So likewise, if I'm having this space will be 4, automatically I'll be having this side to be what? 8. Meaning whatever you have here 4, you have this way doubled. That's the dimension of this. That's the dimension. There's no secret, there's nothing that is there. It's very, very simple. So let me make a quick cut of this. Let me see. Okay, now I'll be having this now, I'll be cutting through. Now as you can see, this place is 8. This length now is 8. It's 8. My other breadth I'm having here is what? 4. This is 4. Now simple. I want to sew this now. This is my normal pattern. I'll be sewing my zip. This zip that you're having, I'll be sewing it at this end. These two parts. And I'll top stitch. Look closely. I'll top stitch and make it double sewing. Like this other one is just there for design. But this is the main one. So I'll top stitch. My zip is here, and I'll top stitch. Now simple. What I will do now, this is how the pattern looks, like this. Let me divide this into record 2. It's for easy formation. This is it now. This is it. This is coming up. So this is how I'll be having it. Like this. And this is coming down. I guess you should have understand by now because it's actually a paper, it's not really forming very well. But this is how it looks. Yes, it's coming up now. Okay. Maybe like this. For easy folding. Okay, now this is it. So this is how it looks. It's very simple. It's very, very simple. It's looking very smart now. So I'll be having my zip now at this point. My zip here at this point. Perhaps you can put an handle here or a ring here as a key holder, or it may be so. But this is how it looks like. It's very simple. I guess the sewing should be simple for my little explanation. Thanks.